Today's day one of packing. It is Friday, July 7th. We figured that we would start packing now. We're done with school. I literally told Ramses today, I'm like, you know, we technically have one more week left of school and it would have been perfect because we're supposed to close a week later than we are closing now. So I'm like, you know what, we're done. So we're gonna focus on just packing and moving and all this stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I figured that I would pop in, let you guys kind of know what to expect for this video. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing us starting to pack, just go ahead and keep on watching. Good morning, guys. So today's the first packing video. There's, I'm assuming, going to be a lot of these, but for this first one, I don't know what to expect, how I'm going to like edit this, but I'm assuming just kind of a lot of time lapses and just explaining things as we go. But first, I'm going to give you guys an overview of the room that we're going to start with, which is the office. And if you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Lily. I do homeschool content over here, secular homeschool. I also do, you know, vlogs and just share real life things that are going on in our lives. And right now we are preparing to move to our forever home, our dream home that we have been saving 2 years for and sold our old house for, paid off all our debt for. So it's exciting. It's a little nerve-wracking because it's a lot to do. Right now we're renting a like 2,000 square foot house and every room is occupied. So we got to start chipping away. Next week we are projected to close, but we do have through August to move everything out, but you know, we don't want to do everything all at once. So we're starting now. Today is July 7th, Friday. So yeah, let's see what we're working with today. Okay, so this is our office. We use it for storage. We have like coats, jackets, and stuff, like some office storage decor for birthdays. We have the ring light in there. We have this lamp that we haven't wanted to get rid of from our old house that we just have never found a true home for, and we've just kept it here. My makeup desk, Ramses' work area over here. I've been keeping all of the new curriculum for the new school year here. We have the Peloton in here, like some workout mats. Two of the kids use these drawers for their clothes. This has like office stuff. This has just random stuff. This has this is like this is like our charging drawer, batteries, etc. And then just like decor, the printer. We do have a TV in here. We also have this room that the kids use as a playroom, like a little house setup with the family and stuff. Tables. I literally just decluttered and cleaned this room, but just can't stay cleaned up. I don't have the proper storage. Our oldest clothes is in here, and then this is the dresser she uses, and we have the bar in here because we didn't have room in the garage. Yeah, so Ramses is going to take this apart while I start going through some stuff in the office. Okay, so starting out in the office, I'm gonna start with the drawers on the left, and it was just the easiest because I already knew that most of that stuff was going to be trash in the middle drawer. And then on the bottom drawer, I had just a bunch of extra papers and printables and, you know, just random things that I didn't have anywhere to put. I also stored my hair tools in that bottom drawer just because I have it there close to my makeup desk and stuff where I do my hair and everything. So make sure you have a trash can and multiple trash cans. You'll see later that I use a box for trash, and then I also use another smaller trash can for trash. So yeah, it's really helpful to have a few trash cans around. The stuff that I am donating or giving away or selling or anything like that, I just set it to the side, and as soon as I'm done with that area, I will go and put it in our donations closet, because I have a closet with a huge box in it that we just accumulate our donations into. And now to do the top drawer, I have some organizers in here and it was pretty well maintained, but yeah, we kind of outgrew this drawer, so we'll find some other way to organize it when we move. Alright, Ramses is done. He also took the little tapestry thing off of the wall.
It's feeling real. Now that, you know, we're taking down things that the girls love, like their lights and this canvas. It's getting real.
I just had a little snafu with one of the bolts, but I came in to save the day.
Asked for Big Mama's help, you know, her big brain.
While I was in here, I took this back of the door organizer that I used to put the girls' accessories, mostly hats and bags went in here. So kind of purged some of these things, kind of went through the bags because obviously there were things in there, and Ramses took the curtains down. Okay, so we're bouncing back and forth from the playroom to the office, playroom to the office. So we're going to take a break over there because the closet's going to take us a bit. So all this stuff on top of the dresser here. This stuff on top of the printer, I'm pretty sure going to combine with the office supply stuff in there. Also, this closet just has storage stuff that we can also put away, babe. Thank you. Thank you. So I decided to put the ring light away. I've had the case for it for a long time, and I figured out how to take the light off, but I could not figure out how to take the bottom part. I don't know if you can and also store that in there, but it seemed like you could, but I didn't want to break it. So ring light secured, and then I just started pulling everything out from the bottom. We had, brand new filters in there. I had this little rolly cart that's a little bit broken that I didn't use this year, but I didn't want to get rid of. The piano stool, this space heater that I don't even know when's the last time we used it. And I have these for our curriculum when we finish certain things. And this is me starting to feel a little enclosed in this corner with all the stuff around me. But yeah, then on the other side we had some kinetic sand, a little book that Mavis uses. I don't know why it's in there. This empty box that the laminator is going to go in. And then I also had stored away these boxes in here that are just empty to use for packing. I was already pre-planning months ago when I came across these boxes. And then I just had Ramses take the stuff down from the top because they're like heavy things, and he has the height and I do not. So yeah, just started to go through this now. Okay, so I'm done going through all that stuff. I consolidated the trash into the trash bag. I took it out of the trash bin and just started to kind of organize things a little bit so that I wouldn't feel so overwhelmed. And then I came over to the desk and started to chip away at all of the drawers and the little things on top and just kind of throw things away that are just old, or get things in the same place if they were in different drawers and things like that. Okay, so I organized all of this stuff. So I emptied these drawers. Rams is going to go through that. And this is some decor that we're going to box up. Trash. Here's all the school curriculum. I'm going to take this bin to the schoolroom right now and empty one of the bookshelves that we're not taking. This is trash. Yeah, we're making progress. I emptied these two down here. We're taking all that. These are empty too. What's the status?
So. I'm hungry now. That's the status.
Okay, so something I learned or realized as we were packing was that we were going to be doing lots of bouncing around, because you can't just pack up a whole room unless you have everything just perfectly organized. It doesn't always work out to where you can pack just one whole room together. You're gonna have room in your bins of certain items that are going to go with other items in another room. So this is what happened here with the books. So before I started to empty the white bookshelf, I realized that I had a bunch of books that belonged on our regular bookshelf. This is just all the adult books that we have. So I put them all back here. They're mostly my astrology books and stuff. And then I started on the white bookshelf. And surprisingly, all these books pretty much fit to the brim in the bin that I brought over from the schoolroom that had the new curriculum in it. And since Ramses was working on getting all of the things off of the wall, I figured that it would be pretty easy to take this stuff down. They're all just put up with tacks, and then these are cork squares that I just put up with some of those Velcro things that are easy to take off. They're like renter friendly. Okay, the wall is pretty much done. Ramses just needs to take the whiteboard off and these shelves. Okay, making progress. Literally, Ramses took down the shelf that was right there, and it like broke on the way down. So, just as we expected, that it wasn't going to survive the move. I was just taking down the shelves that were over there. We'll take this stuff down. Yeah, so I'm gonna start filling up one more bin.
So it's definitely bittersweet taking down all these things here, because when we first came here, we were super excited to make this our schoolroom, to make this our new home, and I feel like we did, and we definitely grew so much in this space, and you know, now we're gonna move on and grow somewhere else, but definitely bittersweet.
Dude, I'm freaking weak. We literally said this shit's not gonna survive the move. This cheap ass bookshelf.
Like that, and then just collapse.
I mean, it could be because I didn't build it right, but
It played its part.
it played
I'll
its
just say
part.
that.
Yeah.
And also, it's this compacted fake wood. So what do you expect?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'm a huge believer in using what you have. So I had these little bins here, and I ended up putting a bunch of just little knickknacks and things, and then things that I already had organized in containers and stuff. I just taped it so that it wouldn't open and close, and it would keep the stuff contained. I also used some bags to contain other little things that I didn't want to lose any pieces from. Everything else that I didn't know what to do with yet, I just kind of organized it a bit and left it on the desk. Okay guys, we're done for today at least. Maybe we'll do a little more tonight, but we ended up getting pretty much the 3 rooms, the office, the playroom, the schoolroom, like half done pretty much. I mean, obviously we still have to move furniture out and stuff, but every drawer, everything on the walls, pretty much anything we could get out of those rooms and go through and know what we're taking, what we're donating, trash, all that, we got done. So yay. Come back for the next one, because I don't even know what we're gonna do next, or when the next one will be, or what it's gonna be about, but I'm sure it'll be a good one. Bye.